Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell tokens on SunPump.meme. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to head on over to SunPump.meme. I'm going to make sure to log in as I am now. So to sell tokens, you need to go to your portfolio. So click on your, make sure to log in like I said, then click on portfolio. Now I've just scrolled out a little bit so you can't see my address, so you can see all the tokens I own inside here. So if I want to sell any token, I just simply click into it. So if I want to sell this P Blue one, I'm going to come over here and then click on sell, and then you can enter an amount that you want to sell. At the moment I've got 88,000 Peblos, so if I want to sell 25, 50, 75, 100%, I can do so like this. So what I'm going to do is sell 25%, and then I'm going to click onto approve token, and then from here I'm going to click on sign to approve. Every time you sign, sell or trade, you need to sign to approve. Once that is done, you'll get this notification saying transaction was successfully submitted. Then you want to click confirm, and you've successfully sold tokens on SunPump.